Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will teach you that how you can replace the old wiring harness, complete wiring harness of your vehicle. And this process is similar for all motorcycle, scooter, and even for cars. So there are some steps which you have to follow to avoid confusion. So first thing is, take photos from all the angles of the existing wiring harness. Okay, so this is our old wiring, and why I am replacing this old wiring? So it is burnt, it is damaged. And what is the cost of new wiring harness? So this cost is 1301 rupees, and you can also see the part number. This is actually Honda Aviator, so its cost is 1301, and this is Honda genuine part. So you have to take photo from all the possible angles, that how the old wiring is fitted in your vehicle. You can take photo, and everything, like where it is connected with the RR unit, with all these relays, everything you have to take. Don't miss even a single component. Okay, so you can see the condition of old wiring. So yeah, so everything. So now how to replace it? So this is very important. So first take out the new wiring, and before purchasing the new wiring must confirm that you are buying a correct part. So for that must verify the old part number. So you can see here, this is the new part number, and you must match this one with the old uh, part number. So otherwise the connectors and there will be variation, so it will be very difficult. If there is slight variation, you will be in big problem. So you can see here. So okay, so now I seen many people, they are removing the whole wiring at a time and then putting the new one. So that will be very difficult for you, and it will be confusing. So start removing one by one. So first what I am doing, here I am removing the first here component here. So you can see the problem is this old wires are burnt and damaged. So yeah, I think for you that is not a difficult task, but for me right now it is slightly difficult, because the old wiring harness are completely damaged. So let me remove this one. So I removed this socket. So this is the old socket, and this is the new socket. Connect it here. Okay, perfect, no problem, no issue. Okay, now it will come here. Okay, now what is the next one? So we have to remove this 10 mm bolt here. This is for earthing. So yeah. So here we are removing this earthing, okay, of the old wiring, and where we are putting the new wiring earthing here. You can see step by step. Don't remove the whole wiring harness at a time. That will be very confusing and difficult for you. Okay, so yeah, secure it. So this is secured. Now we have these two wires for ignition coil. So must see the wire codes here. So color must match the colors. So here is the black and yellow, and here is the green one. So here is our new one. So we have to fix it step by step. Start removing the old one and start putting the new one. Okay, so again it is secured. Okay, it is very important, these connections, because once it is secured nicely, you will have no problem in future. Now you can see here, here we have to remove this one. Okay, so I am removing this one from here. Let's see here. Yeah, here I removed this one, and again we have to remove all these connections from here. 1 2 3 4, everything. Okay, and again we will put this one here. Okay, we have to secured, nicely secured. And what we'll do, what cables we removed, that we'll put again here. So see how I am doing, same sequence, don't miss this sequence here. So what we are doing, we are connecting the same wires again. Yeah, one, again this two, there is no confusion, no any tension. 3, and here I think 1. Yeah, and this one. Perfect. Okay, then we'll cover it nicely, and see, the old one is yellowish and this new one is completely transparent and looking very nice. Okay, now what we have to do, this is the old wiring harness. So how it is going inside this one, so we have to go through this one. Okay, so you can see how the wiring harness is going from here. So yeah, so I am removing from here the old wiring harness. Okay, removed successfully, and you can see the direction, in which way it is going. So you have to take in the same way. Yes, everything one by one. So one by one we have to take everything. And it is very interesting. So now we have to secure this one here. We have to take this one here. Okay, we have to secure it nicely. Okay, so we secured it. You can see here we secured this one. Okay, now we have to take these cables in the same way how this old one is going. So it is like it is coming from here and it is going like this. So again we have to take like this in the same way. Okay, you can see everything we have to take. Yeah, and before putting this wire, you have to make a planning. So see how it is going, the old one, same way I am putting the new one. So now start removing the old one. Yes. Okay, now see here what we are doing here. So we are removing the old one and putting the new one here. Perfect. Okay, no tension, no any issue. So now here it is very crowded. You can see the crowd here. So I am removing the first that support here. Then this is for RI unit. So 2 wires are removed and I will put the new one. Okay, so I am bringing here and you can see here. Yes, so you can see the color codes here. So which one is coming here? So you can see this color code: yellow, green, white and red. So you have to search for yellow, green, white and red. So this is our yellow, green, white and red. So what we'll do, we will put this one here. Yes, in RR unit, yellow, green, white and red. Perfect. And this support here. Perfect again. And now what we have to do, we have to go the other side. Here you can see here. So this is the for one that fuse unit. So we have to put this fuse unit here. Perfect. Okay, fuse unit is here and we'll go that side. Now again we have to remove from here. Yes, this old one, and you have to identify the socket design. So here is our new socket. So we have to put it here like this. Okay, again same thing. So it is secured nicely and this will go in the handle. So here is the our next one here. Yes, and remaining will go in the that speedometer, switches and everything. So that you have to check. So this is the basic process of putting new wiring harness. You can see how to do it. So I think now you have one idea that how you can connect the things, how you can replace the old wiring harness. And you can see here we connected the new one, and here this old one came outside. This is our old wiring harness. You can see completely detached from this one, and these relays, then other things you can connect there in the connector, everything. So this old wiring harness came outside, and that new wiring harness is fitted here. You can see in the same sequence. And if you have any confusion, just check with the photos which we had in the initial of that before fitting this one. Yeah, so this is the method. So if you have similar problem in your motorcycle and a scooter, you can follow these steps. And don't throw this old wiring harness because you can use its connectors, sockets, wires in future. Suppose you have any damaged wire, so you can take the same colored wire from the old wiring harness, and you can put because rats can damage anytime your vehicle. So this is the thing. Keep all the good connectors, everything safely. Like here, these are good connectors, so you can keep it and you can use it in future. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.